Cooper&Hunter Comfort Innovations.
First, remove the louver. Open the cover and remove the air filters. Then, remove the electrical cover. Disconnect the display and move the temperature sensor. Then tuck the loose wires in. Remove the 3 main screws and unclip the cover before removing it completely. Remove the small cover. Disconnect the fan motor and stepping motor. Remove the top screw. Pull the plastic latch to release the electrical box subassembly. Then pull the plastic levers apart to open it. Disconnect all the wires and temperature sensors from the main board. Cut the zip tie and remove the screw to release the ground wire that connects the main board to the evaporator. Press these 2 clips to release the main board from the electrical control box. Connect all the wires to the new main board and clip it into the electrical control box. Then, connect the ground wire to the evaporator. Secure the wires in the clasp before closing the electrical box subassembly. Then, secure it to the chassis assembly. Reconnect the fan motor and step motor before replacing the cover, and replace the zip tie and replace the top screw. Replace the unit cover and clip the top side. Then, reconnect the electrical wires and move the temperature sensor in place. Replace the electrical cover. Secure the 3 screws. Insert the air filters and reattach the louver.